You probably know about the asteroid that ended the reign of dinosaurs on Earth. But did you know that it wasn't even the biggest object to hit our planet? In fact, it doesn't even rank among the top 25 biggest impacts in our solar system. Today, we'll look at planet killers, the truly humongous beasts that nearly wiped out entire planets. Starting at number 5, the Caloris Basin on Mercury. Just because you're close to the sun, it doesn't mean you're safe from cosmic stray bullets. It's usually the exact opposite, because the sun's gravity accelerates asteroids and comets that find their way into the inner orbits. So imagine a massive asteroid over 100 kilometers in diameter, accelerated by sun to an insanely high speed, hitting Mercury right in the face about 3.8 billion years ago. The resulting impact would form a massive crater, 1,550 kilometers in diameter. That's bigger than France. It created a ring of mountains 3 kilometers high around the crater, which, even today, are the tallest mountains on the planet. The shock waves from the impact would converge on the opposite side and create a weird terrain full of hills, troughs, ridges, and fractures. As devastating as it was, the Caloris Basin impact is easily overtaken by number 4, the South Pole Aitken Basin on Moon. Moon has perfectly preserved the evidence of many large-scale asteroid impacts, but the South Pole Aitken Basin is in a class of its own. About 4.2 billion years ago, an asteroid over 200 kilometers in size struck Moon, changing its far side forever. The impact generated waves of destruction that spread thousands of kilometers in each direction. When the dust settled, a crater 2,500 kilometers in diameter and 8 kilometers deep was formed. It excavated and ejected enough matter to create mountains over 8 kilometers tall. Makes you wonder whether the reason Moon is always showing us the same face is because it's embarrassed to show us the scarred side. But not everyone is shy, though, like number 3 on our list, Utopia Planitia on Mars. They say all great civilizations are built on blood. Perhaps that's true even for Utopia on Mars. The Utopia Planitia, a large plain on Mars, is the site of one of the most violent events in the history of our solar system. An estimated 400 to 700 kilometer diameter asteroid smashed into the Martian surface with the force of hundreds of trillions of nuclear bombs approximately 4.3 billion years ago. At over 3,300 kilometers diameter, this crater is bigger than the entire continental USA coast to coast. Mars missions have discovered water ice below the surface of the crater, hinting at the possibility of life under the surface. In an ironic turn of events, there really could be a microbial utopia on Mars, thriving in the water brought by the planet-killing asteroid. The next item on our list truly lives up to the term planet killer, the Valhalla crater on Jupiter's moon Callisto. Callisto is home to multiple meteor craters, over 1,000 kilometers in diameter each. The biggest of them is Valhalla. It's one of the most beautiful impact craters we've ever seen. It formed when an asteroid of unknown size impacted Jupiter's moon at a high speed. We're not even sure when it happened, although estimates put it in a broad range of 2 to 4 billion years ago. The sheer force of the impact left a 360-kilometer-wide central bright region, followed by concentric rings spanning an astonishing 1,900 kilometers in every direction. It almost looks like a beautiful rose. That's a single crater of devastation spanning 3,800 kilometers. For comparison, it's 60% bigger than the dwarf planet Pluto. Sitting atop our list today is the Theia impact. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized protoplanet named Theia slammed directly into Gaia in a cataclysmic embrace that turned both of them into mush. Gaia's crust, which was still in the process of forming, was tore open like a partially healed wound. As the two bodies collided, continent-sized chunks of matter were hurled into space, and trillions of tons of molten rock lit the night sky ablaze. From this unbridled violence were born the siblings, Earth and Moon, separated by a distance but always together. Did you enjoy this video? This is our first attempt at creating something exciting and educational on our favorite topic, space and universe. If you liked the video, press like and hit subscribe. It will inspire us to create more such videos. And don't forget to click on the bell icon